Come with me. Okay. You're not gonna believe what happened today. Okay, that's my YouTube video. Look who commented. OMFG. I literally can't even right now. Holy shit. I hit him up on the forums and he freaking replied to me on my YouTube video. Oh, I'm done. I'm a professional YouTuber. It's over. I got 73 views. I got 11 likes. I got 1 Aw. So why does this matter? For one, this guy's dope. He's Australian. He has a bunch of 18650 batteries. He has solar. That's exactly what I wanted to be when I grew up. More on a serious note though, he has 240, let me go back, yeah? He has 240 videos right there in his 18650 project. He has a bunch of cool other stuff, Bitcoin and everything else. Okay, so why would anyone ever build a Powerwall? Ever. Let's get the creative juices flowing. Cheers. Number one, it's going to save you money. It's going to save you money in a couple ways. First way is even if you don't have any solar, hydroelectric, or anything else, you're going to be able to buy the electricity that you currently use for a cheaper rate. There's power plants normally charge people on tiered pricing depending on the demand. When you guys come home from work and it's dark and everyone's using their electricity, the electricity costs more than it does at 2 a.m. So if you had a battery in which you could buy electricity at 2 a.m. when it's cheaper, and then store it here, later on the day when you need it, you could use that electricity that you bought for cheap when everyone else is paying a higher price, you would in fact pay a lower electricity bill. SoCal Edison, for example, they operate in SoCal. During their summer months, for peak hours, they charge about 48 cents per kilowatt hour. On their off-peak hours at the same time, they charge about 12 cents. If you do the math on that one, you could actually save about 75% on your electricity bill just by running off a Powerwall. As long as you build a Powerwall that sustained you for a whole day, and every single day you bought electricity at 2 a.m. and then you used it the rest of the times, you would in fact pay 75% less than your current electricity bill without having any solar or hydroelectric or anything else. Number two, not only is it going to save you, not only is it going to save you money, it's going to do something else. It's going to not fuck up the environment to the degree that we've been doing. First of all, these little batteries here, as I've stated before, I mainly get them from dead laptop batteries, and this isn't my brilliant genius idea. There's billions of people out there that have been doing this. We throw a lot of these things away, and that's how I got them for free, and that's how many other people have gotten them for free too. I haven't spent a goddamn cent on any of these. I have quite a lot. If you do the math on it, we throw away about 14,000 tons of rechargeable batteries away. That's from the EPA. That's about 28 million pounds. Each one of these little bastards weighs about 1/10 of a pound. You do the math on that, and that's about 280 million that get thrown away per year. And calculate the volume on it, that's about 2 Olympic-size swimming pools full of rechargeable batteries that still can be used are getting thrown away every year. Since Trump got elected, 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools full of rechargeable batteries that possibly still can be used have already been disposed of. Aside from just the actual dumping of these guys, the electricity that we're currently using as a society, sorry to get so millennial on you right now, the way it works is there's point A, and that's a power generation plant, and there's point B, which is you wanting to run your Wi-Fi. Okay, there's some distance between the two. when point A makes the electricity and it goes to point B, there's a lot of, there's a lot of feet or distance between the two. That distance creates a lot of inefficiency, and a lot of that electricity that it originally started gets wasted by the time it gets to you. Not only that, the way we make this electricity, burning coal, burning oil, doing horrible things, bad things. Yeah, we could all do a lot better when it comes to energy consumption. And if we were able to actually make a little bit of our electricity ourselves, store it and use it, we could actually have a pretty damn big impact on the way we currently consume electricity. Energy at that point. And kind of the third point of why I'm doing everything I'm doing is to really show everyone that it's possible. I'm not an electrical engineer. I have no formal training on this. I didn't have a damn clue on what a watt hour or a volt or a milliamp hour or an ohm really meant prior to me getting, I had a little bit of experience, but prior to me getting into this, I really didn't know. I spent a bunch of hours trying to figure this out and kind of what all it means, and I came to this conclusion that I would share my experience with all of you. So I know I kind of said this before, but the reason I'm really doing this right now is to show you that it's building your own Powerwall and not having an electricity bill and being dope is not just meant for the people that are doing it now. Literally anyone can do this, because I am one of you. I had no fucking clue, and I'm learning this as I'm going, and I'm just showing you kind of my experience here. So if I end up burning my house down or failing, you'll know that everyone else could do it except me. So kind of there you go. Yeah, that's exactly why I'm doing it here. I didn't get into really any technical stuff about why I'm doing it. I just really wanted to give you kind of more of a foundation of why the hell you would even go on this venture in the first place. Next video, I'm going to get into how I get these little guys here and what they are and why you need them and where to find them and how to do it for absolutely zero money. Because there's a lot of people making a bunch of money off people, off these, and that I don't like that. So I'll give you a complete overview, and I'll even take my camera around and show you. I'll go place to place and show you how I get these things for free. So there we go. We'll see you guys next time. I'm thinking about a daily vlog. Let me know if you want it. Take care.